So now we are going to discuss about the air pollution and then land. Okay, so the vehicles emissions are responsible for 70% of the country air pollutions. So the air pollution from the vehicle exhaust and industry is a worsening than problem for India. So exhaust from vehicles has increased eightfold over levels of 20 years ago. In industrial pollution has risen the 4 times. So an average trip speeds between 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. The car's pollutant emissions waste okay was twice the and at average trip speed between 5 to 20 kilometer per hours. So the car's pollutant emissions were 4 to 8 times as much as when the average speed was 55 to 75 kilometers per hours. So some Indian taxis and auto rickshaws run on altered fuel blends. So some adulterants increases. Okay, so the emissions of harmful pollution from the vehicles, that it is a worsening urban air pollution. So fuel alternation is essentially an intended unintended consequences of tax policies and the attempt to control fuel prices in the name of fairness. So India's environmental problems are exacerbated by its heavy reliance on coal for power generation. So they emits a high amount of carbon and greenhouse gases. The harmful pollutants like nitrogen and sulfur oxides emitted by aircraft at approximately 35,000 feet, like the combine with other gases in the atmosphere to create noxious particles matters. So the 8,000 people will die due to aircraft pollutants this year, and 3,500 of them would be from India and China. So the fuel wood and biomass burning is the primary reason for near permanent ash and smoke observed above rural and urban India and in satellite pictures of the country. So the fuel wood and biomass cakes are used for the cooking and general eating in over 100 million Indian households and are used 2 to 3 times a day than daily. So World Health Organization claim 3 lakhs, okay, so 2 4 lakhs people die of indoor air pollution and carbon monoxide poisoning in India because of biomass burning and use of chillers. So like the recent trends in India, the air quality, the most Indian cities continue to violate the Indian and world air quality PM10 targets. Okay, so how it is possible? Like in a irreversible particulate matter, pollution remains a key challenges for India. So a decreasing trends has been observed in surplus dioxide levels in residential areas of many cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow, etc. In Lucknow, in many places, okay, last few years. So the decreasing trends in surplus dioxide level may be due to recently introduced clean fuel standards and the increasing use of LPG as domestic fuel instead of coal, or maybe the fuel wood and the case of LPG instead of diesel in certain vehicles. So this is a full management of waste, then falling groundwater table, preservation and quality of forest, then to achieve sustainable forest and then ecological security, whereas the biodiversity losses. Okay, so this all those things under the air quality. Now we are going to discuss about the energy in the next session. Okay, so thanks to all. If you need any clarification, we will discuss on this session. Thanks to all.